1. Knowledge that isn't acted upon. 2. Works of faith that are deprived of sincerity to Allah or conformity to the Sunnah. 3. Wealth from which nothing is spent, so neither is joy gained by hoarding it, nor is it sent ahead onto the Akhirah. 4. A heart empty of Allah's love, yearning for Him and intimacy with Him. 5. A body devoid of obedience and service to Him. 6. A love that doesn't confine itself to the Beloved's pleasure, nor does it comply with His commands. 7. A moment of time not used to rectify one's weakness or cease to do good works and draw closer to Allah. 8. A thought that dwells on what isn't beneficial. 9. Serving someone whose service doesn't bring you closer to Allah, nor does it rectify your worldly affairs. 10. Your fear of or hope in someone whose forelock is in Allah's hand and is himself a captive in the divine grasp, possessing no power to bring about harm, benefit, death, life, or resurrection. The greatest of these losses, and it is the real root of all losses, are two things. 1. Wasting the heart, and 2. Squandering time. The heart is wasted when the world is given priority over the Akhirah, and time is squandered by procrastination. Reflect on these 10 matters so as not to be of those who are plagued with regrets in the Akhirah.